My name is Daniel. I come from London in England and I've been studying for about 1.5 years now. Xiamen is one of the most prestigious universities in China. Majors are all Chinese obviously, but mine is specifically focused for business Chinese. The content of our courses is much more specialized now compared to before, so it's becoming harder and harder. The classes I've had, I've met many amazing teachers. They all are diligent with their work. They want to help us at any time that we have a question, irrespective if our question is related to living in China or any help they can offer us when traveling around China, and at any time as well. So even during the weekends or off-peak times, the teachers are much more like friends to us students. Yeah, so I feel very welcomed, and I'm actually encouraged to explore a lot of my interests in China which are outside of the courses themselves. I'm interested in the world history in general, and to find that China has such a long and rich history. Many periods are fascinating to study. I decided to focus on one particular aspect of Chinese history, which is during the Three Kingdoms period, where you have, in such a short space of time, you have such a radical change to Chinese culture, an explosion of these fascinating characters. And even in this short period of time, I don't think my entire life spent studying it, I would understand everything about the Three Kingdoms. I'm proud to be a part of Xiamen University, and I know that for the rest of my life I can look back at this year and with pride that I was a part of Xiamen University, and I'm one of the alumni for future